दिल तो बच्चा है जी, थोड़ा कच्चा है जी. You think it's something to be proud of? Just to be emotionally immature? There are so many people that you and me know of. You know, they are grown up in their chronological age, but they are so childlike at heart. They are so immature. Emotional maturity is not everyone's cup of tea, but it should be. Because therein lies how you're able to live your life happily, how you're able to form your relationships, how you're able to be happy and survive in this world and solve problems which you will confront. So, what is emotional maturity? Emotional maturity is when you're able to solve all your problems adaptively and be happy at the same time. So, some of the things that I find in an emotionally mature person and which I really like is that, first of all, I see that, they are not averse to feedbacks. Like if you tell them that, look, this is what you spoke of and it was very good, but I didn't like this part of it, or you could have improved on this part of it, or this could have been better. They don't take it aversely. They don't feel bad. They don't let their ego come into the way. They say okay and they move on. They have a growth mindset. That is taking positive, feedback. Then another thing which I find very attractive about emotionally mature people is they know how to regulate their emotions. Like if you find someone who's angry and then he starts behaving in anger and he starts snapping at everyone or biting someone, he's letting his emotions overrule his behavior. That they don't do. Emotionally mature people know how to regulate their emotions, and that's so very important. So they know that these are the feelings they are feeling. They keep it aside and then they behave normally, and then they work on their feelings and emotions and try to regulate them. They are mature. Another thing where what I like very much about these emotionally mature people, and I find them so rare, is that they have a positive story to tell to others and to tell to themselves. Especially, they are very positive about things because they have a positive story to tell themselves. They know because that is going to form the story in their mind. So, another very important aspect of emotionally mature people is that they let go of things. They don't keep on holding to grudges, holding to anger, holding to petty issues which have happened in the past. They just move on, flow with life.